Well, good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday morning, and you know what that means. Your Tuesday reminder for On Track Tuesday tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, with yours truly. Tonight, we're going to talk about, Wilmer brought this up and is not bad this week, yesterday. So we're going to talk about trains in media, your favorite movies or songs that are train related. Let's talk about that. Your favorite ones and why. I've got a few, and I've got my reasons why, and everybody will know why when I tell you. You'll understand that's why I like them. So let's talk about that. And of course, most importantly, we're going to have the drawing tonight for the pieces of HO and N-scale rolling stock for the 300 subscriber contest. The entry ended last night at midnight Central Standard Time. So let me go over the list real quick of who I have. An HO scale, I have Wilmer, CSX Girl 822, Cloverdale Rail, Hot Rod Rodney 25, NS 5107, aka Chazco, the Switch List, and John Dilly. Those are the HO people. N-scale people are Trenton Lee, EJE Jeff, Ralph Greenwood, Drew Steele 69, Jeff Allen, and Randy Dale, and BNSF Dave. That rounds out the list. So tune in tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll talk about trains and media. Then we'll do our drawing for the winner and talk maybe about, I don't know, isn't there something going on this weekend everybody's going to that I can't go to, unfortunately? Can't remember what it is. I think it's Steamtown. We'll talk about that too. So see you guys tonight, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you then.